we're going to explain how to open an RPMSG file in Windows 10. RPMSG files, or remote procedure message files, aren't directly openable like a typical document or image. They're essentially data containers used by specific applications or systems, and the method for accessing their contents depends entirely on what created the file in the first place. There's no universal RPMSG opener. Therefore, we'll explore a few common scenarios and troubleshooting steps. 1. Identify the source application. The most crucial step is determining which program generated the RPMSG file. Look for clues like where the file is located on your computer. A specific program's folder often points to the source. The file name itself might contain hints. For example, write single quote gamedata.rpmsg write single quote suggests a game-related file. Check recent downloads or installations. The program responsible likely appeared around the same time. 2. Check the program's documentation or help. Once you suspect a program, look through its documentation, website, or help files. These resources may explain how to import, use, or access related data files, possibly including RPMSG files. Search for terms like data files, import, export, or configuration files. 3. Try opening with associated programs. Windows sometimes automatically links file types to specific programs. If the source program is already installed, simply right-click the RPMSG file, select Open With, and see if any compatible applications are listed. If your suspected program isn't listed, you may need to browse your computer and manually select the program's executable file, like write single quote.exe and. 4. Examine the file's content. Caution. As a last resort, and only if you're comfortable with potentially viewing binary data, you can try opening the file with a text editor like Notepad or Notepad++. While you won't see readable text in most cases, you might observe patterns or unique identifiers that provide clues about the file's structure or the application that created it. This method is risky as it might display gibberish or corrupt your system if you try to edit the file. 5. Seek online help. If all else fails, searching online forums or support communities related to your suspected source application, mentioning RPMSG file, and the application's name, might reveal solutions others have encountered. Remember, simply having an RPMSG file doesn't mean you can directly view its contents like a picture or a document. You'll almost certainly need the application that created it to properly process and interpret the data. If you can't identify the source, the file's content might remain inaccessible.